Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will solve the worksheet of materials. Tick the correct word which the object is made from. Chair. What is the chair made of? Wood or iron? The right answer is wood. Put a tick on the wood. Stapler. What is the stapler made of? Plastic or cloth? The right answer is plastic. Shirt. What is the shirt made of? Wood or cotton? The right answer is cotton. Brick. What is the brick made of? Clay or rubber? The right answer is clay. Book. What is the book made of? Paper or cotton? The right answer is paper. Iron. What is the iron made of? Iron or cotton? The right answer is iron. True or false? If the sentence is right, then put a tick. If the sentence is wrong, then put a cross. Number 1. Wool is clipped off the animal's skin. The sentence is wrong or right? The sentence is right. Put a tick here. Number 2. The silkworm makes iron. The sentence is wrong or right? The sentence is wrong. Put a cross here. Number 3. Clay is soft and sticky material. Is this sentence right? Yes, it is right. Put a tick here. Paper clip is made of rubber. Is it right or wrong? The sentence is wrong. Put a cross here. Number 5. Our book is made up of paper. Is this right or wrong? The sentence is right. So put a tick here. Match the column. Match the things with their materials. Match the bed with material wood. Match the shoes with leather. Match the cloth with cotton. Match the bowls with clay. Match the tire with rubber.